looks so good.
Is it the shape?
The shape is perfect.
Is it the size?
The size is awesome too. It's soft in all the places it needs to be, and it's hard in all the places it needs to be.
Yeah.
Plus my head wasn't bopping everywhere all around like it usually does.
I need one right now.
Let's go get you one.
Really?
Yeah, like now.
Oh, yes. Oh. So, yes.
The next Evolution S3 travel pillow is designed for you to nap anywhere, guaranteeing perfect head and neck alignment with its brand new patent-pending chin strap technology. The Cabeau TNE pillow. It's as good as.